Namaste, Vanakkam. Welcome to everyone at Almas Talent Hub channel. Hope all of you are safe at home. We will see how to make delicious pepper rasam. Tomato and tamarind as base. How made puree of 4 tomatoes and tamarind water from 50 grams. Take 1 teaspoon of cumin and pepper. Crush for a few seconds. Seven to 8 pieces of garlic to be chopped. Preparation: tomato puree as base, mix tamarind water, chop coriander 50 grams, fresh curry leaves, few dry red chillies, pressed cumin and black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of white pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt to taste. Now mix well. Cook in low flame for 10 minutes. Add 100 ml of water for the tempering. Cooking oil and chopped garlic over medium flame. One teaspoon of ghee. Cook for a few minutes. Pour it in rasam. Rasam is ready to be served. Almost everyday menu item in South India. Transfer them in bowls and serve them as soup, and also we can eat with rice. If you like this recipe, please like and subscribe. Lot of benefits from rasam: improves digestion and helps to reduce weight. Thank you. See you soon.